Christmas carols was too. I'm Stacy J, doing Vlogmas today. Trees are up, Merry Christmas we say. Spend time with me as I sow something. We count down to Christmas Day.
Hi, I'm Stacy J and this is my studio, and this is day 9 of December, which means day 9 of Vlogmas, which means 9 crazy days of doing what I'm doing. I don't know why these glasses are on my face, but they are. So I'm going to make something quick today, quick and easy, something again that's Christmas orientated, not a pair of jeans that takes 3 makes. I hope you did enjoy that, and sorry if you didn't. And yeah, and I thought, well, I've got myself a pair of jeans now. I'm pretty happy with them. Anyway, day 9. Shall we crack open the flamingo and see if today I actually do get something? Let's give it a whirl in the old FJ. Right, only Australians should know that saying. It was an ad, I think, for car polish. So here's my little fancy flamingo. And today I have 3 things. Hang on, I want to know if something's in tomorrow's. If I put my finger over, I'm going to pop one of them into tomorrow's. I know what it is, but you know, at least it's going to be nicer than not getting something. Right, so today I got 2 things. So it makes up for getting nothing yesterday. I've got another Christmas tree. And I have got, a dancing flamingo. Very pretty. Put them in my pile. We thankful. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to make another little case. If you have something small you want to, instead of gift wrapping it, pop it into something. It's like a 2-in-1 present, really. You can put a present inside it, hang it off the tree. It's really, really super cute. This was sent to me by my darling Queenie. And just a simple, hopefully quick make. Like I said, it needs to be a quick make because of the procedure and my daughter and all that. So let's get to it. So what we want done, what we want is 2 36 by 36 squares. Now I've got actually, I cut 2 out. I'll just take 1 away, shall I? Let's move 1 away. So we've got 2. You've got your 36 by 36, and also on the back I've popped some wadding. This is a fusible wadding, so I've popped it on the back, and I've got lining. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to pop the lining underneath the wadding one. Wadding, that sounds like I'm saying it's rotting, but with a wadding, it's wadding. And I will take out of that 11 by 11 quarters squares out of there. Here's my ruler, and here is some of my heat erasable pens. I just want something that works. I always test it on my ironing board because it's right there, and also it's yeah, right there. So I'm just going to turn it and make sure that this is definitely landscape. Okay, so we want 10 by 10, 11 by 11, sorry, corners taken out. So I'm just going to mark 11 here and another 11 here. Okay, and I'm going to go out 11 and 11. Now this is a printed cotton, okay, so it's not woven in, so the pattern itself is actually uneven, yet it was cut on the grain. So 11 by 11, there's the 11. So I'm going to do that to all 4 corners.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. The fragrance.
Now, why we have done this and why I put the lining underneath is because we're going to cut it out. We're going to cut our squares out. I would like to have my pins. Actually, yeah, pins. Just going to tuck it into the corner because that's important. That's where the lift would be. And Now, so it's underneath, lined up. Right, we're going to take this aside. We've got the lining there, take them, separate them. And now take our pin out and separate our lining from our wadding, which is the front. Okay, now we're going to get our lining bits and we're going to attach them. Sorry, not attached. We're going to fold them in half. We're going to sew down 5 millimeters down the short side of that. So I hope I've done them all that way. Yep. So I was just looking at my directional, very directional my fabric is. So sew down there 5 millimeters. Okay, I'm going to do that. I'll be back in a jiff. Right, so when we have done that, we snip off the corners. We put our little fingers inside, grab the corner and turn it in the other way. Then you go to the ironing board and I want you to press this little thing in half. So I want to press it down like that. So I'm going to go to the ironing board. Give me a second. Here are the other ones I did off camera. Now I'm just got this little fold. I folded this and it's just got that crease thing in it. So now what we want to do is we want to center these and put the raw side up. Okay. And let's pin it in. So we're going to go around and I'm going to pin them all. And then we're going to sew them across at 5 millimeter seam allowance.
Of flowers in the air. It's great, the temperature is rising. The windows down while we are driving. The excitement of a new year is near.
Okay, so now 5 millimeters across each one and come back. Beautiful. Okay, while you get serenaded by my son, the next step we're going to do is take our little cross and turn it into a little box. So matching the sides up. This again is a 5 millimeter. I'm just guessing it's 5 millimeters, but 5 millimeters. So I go around the whole box and pin it up. And while you're there, I'll get you to do it also with the lining.
Blue skies, the clouds are clear. It's Christmas down under, sunshine, not thunder.
Right, here we are. We've got our little box and our little lining box. Now we want to turn our lining in the right way and pop it into the inside out pouch. Now do some clips on each corner. Now we're going to leave a hole in our little pouch here. Do it here, eh? Because we want to flip it inside out. We'll be birthing it. Make sure you back tack each way. I'm going to do a 1 centimetre seam allowance for this because I can and I wanna, so I'm gonna. I have no idea what he is playing. I apologise profusely if you can hear that really loud. Wow. Okay, I won't make the same music as that. Right, so I'm going to go and sew along all the way around, and I'm going to start here where my line is, and I'm going to go around and finish here, and then turn it in the right way. I'll see you guys in a jiff. Exciting. Here we go. Where's my little gap here? So now I'm going to, it's really little. I'm going to turn it in there. Might be too little. Turn it in the right way. And I'm glad you can't see my face while I do this. I'm going to speed this up because it could be a while.
Camping and joyful, barbecues and a belly full. Cause it's summer times, down under at Christmas time. Here comes Santa, riding his sleigh, preparing presents for Christmas Day. Make sure you're good, not bad, or come Christmas morning you'll be sad.
Well, that was a battle and a half. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to iron this down so these stick up, okay? And then after I've ironed it, I'm going to go around and top stitch it all the way around. Now, one thing that Karina from Norway said was, see, all you can see is this. My hands are down here, my mouth is here. That's so not cool. So I'm going to iron this. Karina said that every time I do something Christmassy, I should have a red bobbin, red thread in the top and green in the bottom. We're going to find that out in a second. And last but not least, we get a bodkin and we get 2 pieces of string. I've got some nice silver string stuff. No idea where I got this from. I think a $2 shop. And we'll just get my bodkin. Just trying to talk to my student the other day. Do you think I could remember the word bodkin? It's not like a real word, people. So, so it's open. Put it in my teeth of my body. Snap it down. Not coming out. Put it through the little holes here. So remember how I folded those over? We'll go around. Oh, or not. Oh, I might have to get in a different bodkin. Oh, wait 1 second. So let's see if this works. Probably will fall out. Right, around. Pull it through. Around, make sure it's in there and pull it through. Lovely jubbly. Now we go to the opposite corner, so diagonally opposite. It's this one. We're going to do it again. Okay, put it in there. Pull it nice and tight down in that little corner. Some of them have little lock. I do have a little clip one that locks and holds too, but where she is, nobody knows. Okay, I haven't looked for it, but you know, because I love my other bodkin, but my clover one. But I should find it because they're like a little backward tweezers. They are the other pair. Pull it through. Best thing about this is if it comes up undone, I've got easy. I can pull it through the thingamajiggy, the little holes. Right, now we come through. We've got it. I'm just making sure I'm actually recording. Pull it out of the bodkin. Got my 2 little ties there. You can put a bead in this if you wanted to. And tie it tight. Do it like a toy. This one. Apparently we're putting the tree up. We got some decorations today from Christopher's daughter. And mine's a sewing machine. So cute. Right. Put that in there. Look at this. You can tie it in a little bow. It's quite big. I actually didn't realize it was so big. Tie it in a little bow. You can hang it off the tree. Oh, I'm trying to move something that doesn't move. So there you go. Look at that. Neat little pouch. And that could be used. I mean, it doesn't have to be in Christmas fabric. How did I forget the word fabric? It doesn't have to be in Christmas fabric. So this just makes it a real good Christmas ability. And next year, the following year, then maybe the person who got it can put a different present in there for maybe you. Or they can use it. Could you imagine that as a nice little pouch? You can take it, you can actually turn it into like a little handbag. You know, you can do whatever. I think it's quite cute. I do. Thank you, Queenie, for showing me this one. I actually think it's quite neat. I wonder if I should do it, or wonder if I should send it to Aussie too. I'm sending my parcel to my brother. It's his birthday as well as obviously Christmas. And so I have the wee dress that I'm sending for Tracy's grandchild, Danny's partner's granddaughter. And I have some other things in there. Not really, but I've got his card. His card's written in now. But now I think I might send this. Maybe I can fold this dress up to fit in that. That shouldn't come out like a creased mess, should it? Or a dog's breakfast, as my mother used to say. So I think that's quite cool. It's very basic, very easy. 36 by 36. Bit of wadding. And yeah, just go for gold. And you can do it with anything you want. And it doesn't have to be a Christmas either. You can maybe, if it's a birthday present for somebody, you could put a few things in there, a few trinkets in there. And it's like a trinket bag. I like it. I like it. Okay, guys, that is day 9. Thank you very much for tuning in. Day 9, day 10. Wow. She's soldiering on, isn't she? Only 15 days until till Christmas. Crazy. Okay, everyone, I'd like you to stay well, stay warm, stay dry, keep cool, keep on sewing. Hydrate. Have no regrets. And save face. Thanks again, Queenie, for this awesome idea. I'm really happy with it. Oh, that's what I was going to say. Now we've got these squares left. And I don't know if you guys have been watching what Julie sews, but you could turn them into little coasters. Because it's got that wadding on the back, you could put something on the back on a different lining, or you could do the same lining of the other elves, and you could turn that into little Christmas drink coasters. Maybe I'll save them and I will do them 11 by 11. They could be good for the little wine glasses to sit on them with all the shimmering water coming down from drinking your bubbly. Okay, everyone. Thanks again. I'll catch you later. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Really, really, truly would appreciate that. Get me out there. I'm getting up to like 100 views. So appreciate the 100 people or 200 people that have watched me. I know that Vlogmas is crazy time out there. Lots of things to watch. And I'm going to go before this becomes too long. And yeah, I understand. Okay, guys. Catch you later. Bye.
Thank you for watching today. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Please subscribe.